Hi guys, welcome to the C++ project. So in this particular project, we'll be seeing a URL shortener project. So basically you have a long URL. How do you make it short? How do you convert it into a very short URL so it is very easy to share, etc. So we'll be seeing that. This is divided into 4 parts. So let's see the first part. In this, we have certain tasks. That is basically, this is very simple framework, just building the overall framework. We have to accept one user input, either 1, 2 or 3, and if it is 1, then we have to call shorten URL function. If it is 2, we have to call retrieve URL function. If it is 3, then we have to say exiting this thing program goodbye. And if nothing is being entered, then we have to say invalid choice, try again. So let's see the code. So here we have two vectors, short URLs and long URLs, and then the first function, that is generate short URL, with the input is the long URL. So long URL, you are giving it as the input, and then it converts into short URL. Then the next function is shorten URL. Next function is retrieve URL, followed by then we have the user choice, main function user choice. So here the user enters the choice. If the choice is equal to 1, then we call shorten URL. If it is equal to 2, then we call retrieve URL. If it is equal to 3, then we call exiting goodbye. Then we say exiting goodbye, and then we end the program. If it is neither 1, 2 or 3, then we just print invalid choice, try again. So in the main function, we'll display all the options saying for 1 do this, 2 do this, 3 do this, and then we'll ask them to enter an option between 1, 2 and 3, and then once they enter the option, we store that option, and then we call the user choice with that particular option. So let me run the program. This is quite a simple start to this project. So you can see here we have in the console we have the 3 options, and we have to choose one among the 3. So I'll just choose 2. Okay, so it says retrieve URL called. Because we have not yet added any logic behind that for that function, it is just displaying retrieve URL called. So I'll submit the program. We'll start adding logic, basic logic for the programs one by one in the next part. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.